Hello homeowners, Cesar Espinosa here, your local Houston area realtor. Thinking of selling your house, but undecided on your next move? No worries, you're not alone. Selling your home could be a springboard for new beginnings, but sometimes the destination isn't quite clear yet. Here are some tips to navigate selling without a fixed future address. Consider your options. Number 1, rent for a while. Renting allows the flexibility while you explore different neighborhoods, cities, or even states. Number 2, live with family or friends. This temporary option can save you money while you solidify your plans. Number 3, sell with a delayed closing. Negotiate a closing date that gives you time to find your next place. This might not be ideal for all buyers, so be prepared to offer incentives. Benefits of selling now. Number 1, hot market advantage. The Houston housing market is strong. Selling now can lead to a quick sale and a good profit. Number 2, reduce carrying costs. Avoid paying mortgage, property taxes, and maintenance on a home you're not living in. And number 3, open up possibilities. Selling frees you up to explore new opportunities without being tied to one location. Here's how I can help you sell and plan me as your realtor. Number 1, market expertise. I'll help you understand the current market conditions to get the best possible price for your home. Number 2, flexible listing options. We can consider discussing various listing strategies that accommodate your need for a delayed closing if necessary. Number 3, relocation resources. Even if you don't know your final destination yet, I can provide resources to help you explore different areas. Selling your home without a set plan can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With the right guidance and a flexible approach, you can navigate this transition smoothly and find your perfect next place. Ready to sell your home and explore exciting possibilities? Contact me today. Let's discuss your options and create a selling strategy that works for you. My contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips.